Hey, Darren, what happened?
Sorry,
Darren, what happened?
I'm not too sure.
It's live right now, actually. I can see myself.
Oh shit.
Can you try to rectify it?
Sorry. I think we can start now. Sorry, it's my fault. I apologize.
Okay, so good evening, everybody. I think we're live right now. Technical error. So, this is an exciting time. This is an exciting topic. We have Ms Wong all the way from JB right now. I think you call her the financial queen. So if those of you who are watching right now, I'd like to just say hi to Ms Wong over here. Right, so hi, Ms Wong. Okay.
Hi, good evening to all. Great to see you again. Hi, Michael.
Okay, today is a topic. This one is on mortgage, it's on loans. Okay, I want you guys to share to as many people as possible after this. All right, we're going to talk about the OPR rates. Everyone is saying, wow, it's gone down so much. So today we're going to talk a little bit more about it. So how are things? Exciting?
How do you think, Michael? You should be very excited, right?
I tell you one thing right now. After I analyze everything, there's only one more thing left to stop. Okay, and then that one is basically the moratorium. If let's say the moratorium extend, then confirm this will be the next bull run already, right? That's what I feel. Okay, the market is of course still recuperating and everything, but with the current OPR rates coming down to 1.75, which is lowest in the entire congratulations.
Yes.
Yeah. Very king, I think very king.
It's the lowest ever. Right. Okay. So as Michael said, OPR drop, definitely there's a good news. Okay, but very soon this moratorium will be end another 2 months. So we hopefully that the MOF already bring up this matter to all those banks, okay, for discussion. And I heard some of the banks also might do some special arrangement for their client as well. Okay, instead of you pay after the moratorium, you pay in full installment, they probably may can let you to pay the interest only. Wow. Okay, so probably can help us to reduce some burden.
Okay, so those of you who are watching here, there's a lot of good information that's coming in. Today is our finance talk, our money talk. So if those of you who are here listening, everyone please put the money sign over there and do me one favor. I tell you what, this is very important. Okay, so share to as many people as possible. This is going to be about finance. We're also going to talk about the the OPR rates have gone down. Right, this is Ms Wong over here. Now, Ms Wong is a specialist. She's a loan specialist all the way from JB under Windsor Group, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Windsor Group over here. Hello, Xian. Hello, Lee, Eiling. Hello, Jay. Hello, Daniel. Hello, Kevin. So share to as many people as possible. Come, Rizal. If you guys really want to learn more about the finances and you also want to know more about what is happening in the market, guys, this is craziest time ever. OPR rates have dropped down to 1.75%, means the lowest interest rate now. Loan is so cheap. So if those of you are watching this right now, it's an indication already. I mean, for me, as an investor, these are all the buying signs already. Okay, RPGT is 0. All right, LTV, they have certain capping, but also allow you to go up to 90%. I believe the government is actually doing their very best right now to stimulate the economy. Of course, we have 16 Prihatin, what Penjana has got 16 clauses. We focus on the 3 main for property side. Okay, plus the OPR rate now go down, bank negara rates interest is so low, really can make money now already. So if those of you are watching now, again, right, you have to really make sure you take care of yourself and take care of your loans and finances. So today, yes, Wong is going to share a lot about this. Now, let me just share this. Everybody, Ms Wong is usually she speaks in Chinese one. She's very good in Chinese one. All right, today she purposely prepares slide in English for you, talk in English for you. So you all better make sure you all appreciate this. All right. So everyone, please give Ms Wong a 5. Give Ms Wong a 5. Right? Come on, give you a couple of 5s over here.
Thank you, Michael.
Okay.
Yeah. Actually, I'm
hello,
from
Ellen.
Chinese educated one. I'm from Punyu High School. Okay. I didn't do any English section before. Now it's only especially for Michael and you all. Please, okay. If my English is not that good, please forgive me. Okay, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so those of you watching right now, if you're ready, I tell you, please share to some of these people out there, a lot of investors out there. And I'm going to now give the whole session to Ms Wong already. She's going to share with you about the OPR. She's going to share with you how to make more money from your loans. Okay, if you're ready, everyone, okay, come give Ms Wong a couple of likes.
Okay, thank you. Thanks again, Michael, and good evening to y'all. Thank you for stay tuned in this live again. Okay, as I say, my English is not that good, so probably you not understand. Maybe later Michael will do some translate for me lah. All right. Okay. So actually from last week we have already done the first section already. Okay. So we have already done the first section. So continuous another 4 weeks we will do the another 4 different topics. Okay. This total 5 topics we call to S2S strategy system in order help you to easily get your loan. All right. Okay. So as Michael just now said, 2 days ago, Bank Negara already announced the OPR rate dropped another 0.25 to 1.75 right now. It's the lowest. The loan is very cheap right now. Okay, I will show you some slide. Okay, please allow me to show. Okay, can you all see the slide? Okay.
Hey, cannot yet, not yet.
Not yet, huh?
Try again.
Okay. So, is it okay?
Don't have you share screen already.
Yeah, I share screen. Do you all see?
No.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Hold on, huh?
Okay, try again.
Okay.
Try again. It's not supposed to. Okay, can ready.
Okay. Yeah, sorry, technical problem. Okay. So, as just now mentioned, on the 7th, there's the news come out already. Many people is very happy and some is not. Okay. Why some is not? Later we'll talk. Okay. So you can see from this news, right now our OPR rate is dropped to 1.75. In the year of 2020, this year alone is already the 4th time dropping of this OPR from 3%. Okay, in January is 3%. After that, dropped 0.25 to 2.75. Then in March, another 0.25 dropping. So
1, 2.
to 2.5. And May, 5th of May, is straight away dropped 0.5 to 2%. 2 days ago, dropped another 0.25, 1 to 1.75. So as just now, Michael already said, why Bank Negara will do this OPR cut, okay, is because definitely is to stimulate our economy, especially for our domestic market, okay? Because since right now, the interest is so low. So what happened to our money in this saving account? You see, okay, what does it will affect you after this OPR drop? I don't say much because we are all involved in this property management. Property investment. So let's see. If today you got a loan amount is 600,000, tenure for 30 years. 2 months ago, the BR rate is still 2.75. Okay, BR rate So effective normally will from 3.2 to 3.5, something like that. Okay, so this is the effective rate, our mortgage loan rate, this one. All right, so your monthly repayment will be 2259. Total repayment, the interest for 30 years is 313312. Okay, the 300 over 1,000. If let's say today our OPR drop to 2.5, because I think recently you will receive your love letter from banks already. They will tell you they will adjust how many percent. Some might be reduced another 0.2. Okay, some will follow the bank negara to deduct this 0.25. For example, 2 months ago the BR rate is 2.75 and then minus 0.25, BR is 2.5. So your effective rate will be reduced as well. So become 3.3%. Your monthly repayment will be 2,190. Okay, your total interest for 30 years is only 288,000. So how much you will save per month? So your monthly repayment will be reduced by 69 ringgit. Probably you will think, 69 ringgit not much one. But what if, okay, what if do you have the commercial loan? Okay, commercial loan will be more effective, more affected. Okay, they will drop more. And then one unit is you save 69 ringgit. But if you got 10, you will save 690 ringgit a month. Okay, so it's really a big how to say big good news for us lah. Okay, since if no mistaken, since 2019 until now, previously 2019, our normal effective rate is 4.5. You can see after today until today can drop up to 3.3. So which means drop totally 1%. 1% is damn huge, man. It's really, really cheap right now, the interest. Okay, so if we are going to do some property investment, we are going to do some refinance, please better go back to your LO and study your LO. How much is your interest rate right now? If really you are getting, especially those who are getting those loans is 10 years ago, they are BLR -1. Okay, I can tell you, you can planning for your refinance already. Okay, really. Okay, yes. Even BLR minus drop. Okay, so the interest compare with right now the new rates is still very competitive one. Okay, so please go back to check your LO.
This is the time for you guys to get there and restructure your finances. Okay, restructure about finance. Right, so this is something very, very important for everyone here. Please take note now. Okay, everybody listen up. This is not going to last forever. Okay, you know this is a crisis situation. Okay, Ms Wong, if you don't mind, you go back to the first page one. Okay, see this one. You see this this is 1 year, you know, from January 2nd 2020 to July 7 2020 less than 7 months okay. Bank Negara slashed the time 4 times, you know, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th time of correction. And they have actually reduced 1.25%. We have never seen such slashes before. Okay, this is not normal. Now, those of you who are watching this right now, interest rates, a lot of you are asking about interest rates. Is this normal? A lot of people question me and PM me about this. Number one, this is not normal. It only happened in 3 separate situations. First situation, if you are a already developed country, let's say like US, don't compare to US. You cannot compare to US. US, Japan, all these have zero interest rate. Now why? Because they're developed country. No more business, okay, not so exciting, especially Japan, the economy cannot push anymore. So the bank have to give zero interest for people to get the economy excited again. We are not in that place. We are a developing country. We are still making good money. Our GDP is about, let's say, 4 to 6% now, which is considered very, very good. Okay. So situation number two, you cannot compare to Singapore. You cannot compare to Hong Kong, which is, hey, interest rate is below 2%, because these big countries have no natural resources. So what they do is to make them competitive, they make themselves financial hubs. So they sell money to make money. You understand? No? They want you to trade more money. All the international banks are there because they are using money as a resource. So they keep it cheap. You think all the financial hubs, Switzerland, Singapore, Hong Kong, all of these are very cheap money. Now, we are not in that situation. We are a developed country with a lot of resources. People want to come from us, or because we have got getah, rubber, okay, all palm, everything. So when people come here to set up factory, we give them loan. They need the money, so that's why we make the government and the bank all make money lah. Okay, so for the bank to drop to 1.75 is a very rare situation. Okay, and I really want to tell people this: you must take advantage of this. Two types of people. First is those of you who already have a lot of old loans. Please review through your loans. Don't take it for granted. 5 years and above can start looking into it already. 10 years and above definitely need to look into it. Number one. Number two, those that never buy property yet, hello, this is the best time to buy, okay, especially for loans, right? So you really have to go out there and get the loans already. So this is what I want to share with you guys, all right? Okay, sorry to disturb Ms. Wong, but I just want to share the investor point of view.
No problem. Thank you, Michael. Okay, so just like I say, some people were very happy because they are holding some these SME loan or this mortgage loan. That's why they are very happy because this OPR dropped. But in the other hand, somebody is very sad because they are putting their money into the FD. Okay, once OPR drop, the FD rate will be dropped. Okay, I don't know whether you all know or not. In May, I think the lowest FD rate is 1.9 something to 2 point something. Okay, so right now they drop again. So I think will be lesser. Okay, so
your money
putting 1 million, 2 million in this in FD, please. Okay, please take your money out. Go to look for Michael. Okay, he will teach you how to make use of your money.
Okay.
Okay.
Really the best time. Now, you can either buy property, we give you high rental return, also worth money, or you can buy those kind of property, low rental return, but at least 4 to 5% return, also cukup already, because sooner or later those kind of good deal will go up in price next few years. Definitely anything will beat FD now. Anything will beat FD now. Okay, continue.
Okay, so friends, okay, please take your LO out and please study what the interest rate you are holding and what kind of mortgage this loan package, okay, you have. Go to your officer, okay, or your loan specialist, ask them whether you need to restructure or replanning your mortgage loan or not. Okay, so come back to today this topic. Okay, so this is our 5 weeks continuous 5 weeks topic. So today we will talk about the money matters. Show me your income, not show me, not show Wong. Okay, it's show to the bank. Actually, what bank want to see from your income. Okay, so first thing, because you see so many good news. Okay, the OPR drop, the interest so cheap. But if you are not to planning your loan, okay, to beautify your profile, you're very hard to get this kind of benefit. Am I right, Michael? Okay, so you have to get prepared of yourself, especially your personal profile, your income profile. Okay, so this is the most important part of when you come to apply the loan, bank will see how stability of your income. This is the first thing. Second, the constant of your employment history. And then how solid is your financial proof. I will explain it one by one. Okay, by the way, if you have, in the meanwhile, if you have any question, please write it down, comment there. Okay, later we'll have this Q&A question. We will answer your question. All right. Okay. So the first one, stability. Actually, majority, I think this is a very simple thing. People also, all know, if you want to apply a loan, of course, the bank want to see your income proof. Okay, even right now, you have 1 million cash in bank, but without any stable income, sometimes bank also don't want to consider give you a loan. Okay, this is true, because I got an uncle. He's very rich. Okay, he got few million, but he quite old already lah. He want to take a loan, and he get rejected by bank. So he very angry. Okay, how come I got so many of cash, liquidity cash? Not even one bank want to borrow him money. Okay, it's not because of how much you have, but one day in the point of bank view, cash is not stable. One day you must spend it all. Okay, so banks still want to see your monthly income. Okay, so please be in your mind, your pay slip and bank statement must be tally. You will tell me, Ms. Wong, my this salary slip with my this bank statement, sure tally one got not tally one man. I tell you, got. I saw so many cases especially those traditional business those China Pack, sorry to say that China Pack, this company. Okay, they are not using any payroll system one. They're just simply using the payment voucher, right one. Okay, and then the boss sometimes ask the employee to, hey, you go to buy this stock, okay, you pay first, later I will pay you back. So actually the employee monthly, maybe the salary net is 3,000, but sometimes he will get 5,000 bank into the his bank account. So bank will wondering how come your this income sometimes is 3,000, sometimes is 3,500, sometimes is 4,000. They are very confusing, and your EPF is also not tally. So please be in mind, if your income is net income is 3,535 ringgit and 35 cents, please bank it exactly. If you are getting those cash one, and now no more bank will accept those cash deposit. Please ask your boss at least bank in check instead of give you cash. All right. Okay. So this is the first thing. And then the EA. This is another document is very important. Many people just ignore this EA. After declare the income tax, they throw away this EA. I tell you, I have already helped many of my investor and purchaser make use of this EA to increase their income, monthly income, and their DSR. Later, I will show you a true case. Okay, because in this EA, they were included every of your incentive, OT allowance, bonuses, and other things. Okay, so your probably your income is 3,000 a month, but your EA can be 50,000 a year because it's included all the incentive, OT allowance, and everything already. I show you this case. This is a true case. It's a big blur, but it's okay. You just concentrate on my talk will do. Okay. This Madam Wong, he's working in this one of the logistic company. Monthly salary net pay is 3,535. Okay. In this company already more than 5 years. okay, quite stable already. So if based on normal DSR calculation, the DSR for his income is only can count 60% threshold, which means it's only 2,120. If you are watching our watch our live last week, I have already told you how to calculate your DSR, right? Okay, so you use your net income times the DSR threshold 60%, you will get this total of your DSR commitment 2120. So she got one this house loan is only 573 per month installment. All right. So the net DSR is 1547 after deduct the current commitment. So if based on 1,005, she can only afford to loan 300,000 loan amount only. Okay, but after review her this EA for the past 2 years, I was found that okay, every year she was getting much more than his basic pay because he got a lot of incentive, car allowance, everything. So monthly, the yearly income becomes 73,000. So if let's say I'm using this EA to submit to bank, but at least 2 years EA, the annual income 73,000, monthly will become 6,001 already. From 3,005 become 6,000 6,000 plus.
Everybody, listen up over here. I tell you, this one I tell you, I also don't know how to say. Whatever Ms Wong is sharing with you here, this is very detailed information. Some of you may not understand this. Never mind, you just pay attention, okay? You review through this and you understand again. Wow, this one is like I think I know people who actually charge anything from $3,000 to $5,000 just to let you know this kind of information. Okay, and it depend on your income, you know. If you are less than 10K, of course 3 to 5. More than 10K one, they can charge you 10 to 20,000 one. So now what she's trying to say, Ms. Wong is trying to say right now is some of you don't know how to show the bank you can make more money. Okay, because bank will ask you for standard documentation. Right? So what is she sharing with you right now is how to increase your money. Now listen, okay? Yes, OPR rates are very cheap now. So what? You cannot qualify for the bank loan. You cannot take advantage of it. And many of us don't know how to dig all this information out. This is a tax form. And tax forms are super important, especially during tax season like this. So, you know, if you know how to play around this, you're able to get more money out. Okay, so this is a real case study.
It's a real case. Later in the live I show you all the real case one. So I just blank this all the information already. But you can see later it's Wong. Later I show you the LO is also Wong. Okay.
Okay, so everybody, okay, better pay attention on this right now. And then this one is to go and get higher loans from the banks. Wow, this is like super secret. Well, very good.
Okay, so you see, if your monthly income becomes 6,000, definitely your threshold, the DSR threshold, can jump to another tier. Okay, just now 3,000 is times 60%. Right now 6,000 is times 70%. Okay, Mo Tuyên Tuyên, you can get extra 1,000 plus. You see, your total commitment right now you are afford to pay 4,002. So after deduct your current the housing loan 573, still got 3,000 plus. Immediately the loan limit becomes 740K already. Okay, so let's see how much the bank approved. The bank approved her 540K. 540K. Okay, this is a true case. Just because we submit a accurate or extra document to the banks, you can 無端端 increase your this DSR already. Okay?
Okay, so I
Alright.
just want to take note of this. Those of you who are watching here, everybody understand this. Okay, documentation. Everyone type that documentation. Your paperwork, your documentation is very, very important. If you do not know how to show the right documents to the bank, very, very hard for you to go and get good loans. All right, number one. Number two, wrong doc. So you have to also see what you're submitting to the banks. Okay, and if you review through our last topic, okay, and now you're talking with Ms Wong on this topic. By the way, we only have 5 sessions with Ms Wong. This is the second one now. We have another 3 more left only. After Ms Wong is no time already. Me and Ms Wong has no time already. We are going to stop this after this. So you better ask questions along the way. All right, ask a lot of questions. So if you show and then you have to see your documentation, recalculate. And if you look at last week we share, right, how to check how much DSR, how much credit you can get. The factor is 200. So if times 200, you roughly will know how much you can get from the bank already. So you must really submit the right document to the bank. Okay, well, thank you. Okay, ask question along the way, come. Then Ms Wong will answer as well, or I'll try and answer for her. Okay, come, share to as many people as possible.
Okay, so I'll continue. Okay, the third, okay, again. Okay, EPF, come to EPF. Right now, this EPF statement is extremely important right now. Okay, because from the EPF contribution, bank can always trace back how much you are earning every month. Okay, some bank, for your information, some bank right now, if you know this income, this EPF statement, they are very reluctant to entertain you. Okay, they are reluctant to review your application because that thing, those without income EPF one, this income is not that stable, just like the commission earner. So that's why I did advise my client who are pure commission earner also contribute to EPF as well. Okay, right now. So this document, bank is very, very concerned about this document already, EPF. Please remember. Okay, and the other one, lagi important. Okay, so income tax. Have you, for those DE Form 1 employee, you have to declare your this income tax. I think 30th of June, right, is the last day. Okay, if you haven't, please go to declare right now as soon as possible if you are going to apply loan. Okay, so why this income tax statement is that so important? Because for the point of bank view, this is the most convincing proof in the eyes of banks, because bank always assume typical people will only declare and pay tax based on their true income. Okay, you don't tell me you will pay more tax if you are not earn that more. Okay, 你不会给很多的税，你如果没有赚这么多的话，对吗？ Okay, you will only base on your actual income to declare tax, right? So this document, definitely the bank right now is compulsory for those new applicants. Okay, but I must tell those, if you how to say and also cannot, because of you want to apply loan, simply increase your tax. Suka. I show you another case again. This is the real case. Okay, sorry. This is the real case also. Okay, sorry. Okay, see. This Ms. Lui, okay, she's from Sarawak. She has a property, want to do a refinance. Last year, she was looking us to do the refinance for her. And then, but I can tell in our East Malaysia, banker not so willing to do those refinance property in East Malaysia one. I don't know why lah, because probably they are different policy or what lah. But luckily, okay, we have managed to get some banks to do her refinance lah. Okay, this one I want to tell you all, you see, this is the year 2018, the tax declaration based on the jumlah pendapatan is the total income, okay, she earned is 78,000 in year 2018. So because she want to buy a shop lot, she need cash. That's why she used her this Sarawak property to do refinance. And then the banker told her, if you are based on your 78,000 yearly income, definitely cannot pass. Okay, you have to increase at least how many of your income. Only the bank can loan to you. All right, so she just simply, okay, she just simply increased her this income tax in year 2019, okay, to 150,000, which means double up of her yearly income. Okay, so guess what? Guess what? The banker told us, sorry, the case cannot be approved because the income tax different too much within 2 years. Okay, 2 years the income too much different because you don't think bank is stupid one. Okay, sorry to say that. They will trace back your this income others income statement as well. Okay, because Ms. Lee is doing a salon. Okay, her salon is not those very famous one. She give me the picture. I almost pingsan already. The salon is only a very home based one. Okay, in her home, a very home based one. And then the monthly bank statement she was credit in the amount is not much. So bank will think you do business. Okay, you can say you are getting those cash one, but sure you want to bank into the bank one, only can prove your monthly business is how much, monthly sales is how much, right? But your bank statement is maintained as 70,000 a year sales, but your income tax become 150. Bank will think, oh, because of you want to get this loan approved, so you pay much more higher income tax. So this case also habis lah. But okay, of course lah, we got our method to help her to get her loan. Luckily, okay, luckily. So I will tell those friends, if you don't simply increase your income tax, is very dangerous one. You must have planning. Okay, okay, please take note of that. Okay, we go to next slide. Okay, so the first. Yeah.
Emily, I just use the relevant one now. So Emily asked, if self-employed required to own contribute, do I have to declare income tax already? I do have declared income tax already.
Yes, for self-employed, definitely you have to declare your income tax. Okay, if you can contribute the EPF better. But first you must fulfill the income tax declaration for self-employed.
Okay, there was one more question from Christine. Say, what kind of loan can fix the current low rate? Okay, and then can fix it to the end of 20 years. I think that one I can answer. Not easy lah.
Not easy lah. If you fix, no lah, don't take the fixed one. You see, if previously you take the fixed one, 4.99, now people is enjoying maybe 3%. You are still paying the 4.99 one. Okay, you will cry.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, but don't take. But then those fixed for how many years? Is there a loan that can fix the current rate loan?
No, there's only two types. One is fixed one forever, 30 years or 35 years. The other one fluctuate. Whenever the BRR is changes, the loan will be changed. There's no fix for only certain period.
But I think it's good to revise your current loans because some of them, they have a BLR plus or BLR minus, maybe 5, 10 years ago, especially 10 years ago. Then you can see how you can revise to get better offers now. All right, you see how is it like, okay?
Okay, so I continue. So the second one, bank will see from your income how constant. Okay, the longer they will see how long have you been attached in a same company. And then the longer is the better. Still remember, we have the application scoring. Last week we have mentioned, okay? So when the time you fill up the application form, how long have you been serviced in this current company? If more than 3 years and above, the scoring is higher. Even 10 years is better lah, all right? But if you are only service this current company is only half year, so your scoring will be dropped, okay? Will be dropped. So please bear in mind if you, sorry?
A good minimum average, minimum.
Minimum 2 years and above. 2 years, minimum 2 years lah, okay? Because the longest bank will think, oh, these people is more stable, okay? And more thing, okay? So what I want to say, okay, please bear in mind, if let's say you are going to apply a loan, don't simply suka fire your boss right now, okay? And don't simply change job, please. Even though your loan has been approved, but haven't drawn down or haven't released yet, please bear with your boss first until the bank release the loan, okay? Because even though right now, I heard few cases already, LO already signed, SPA, LA, everything signed, only pending for those release. But this applicant was, this borrower was resigned. And then the bank withdraw the loan, take back the loan. Okay, so no job. Please bear with your boss if you are really don't like, okay? If because of your loan, please tahan a bit, okay? So, okay, change the nature of work or profession will cause the bank to query as well. How to say? Like previously, you are working as a nurse, okay? As a nurse. Then right now you go to do sales. Then bank will think you can tahan. Last time your nurse was